Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my newest agenda with you guys. So if you follow me on Instagram, I've already shared this. So we had family here for the holidays and I'm finally catching up on content, but I did share my new agenda and did a little unboxing there. So this has already been taken out. I just didn't get a chance to sit down and do a YouTube video, which is great because I also want to talk about how I plan to use this or my current thoughts and what I've ordered so far. So we'll still do somewhat of an unboxing because I just really want to show what it comes with. So I ordered this agenda from the Mulberry website. The one I purchased is still currently on sale as I record this on December 30th. It was on sale right before Christmas and I actually got it. I had zero intentions on buying it, but I've had my eye on this agenda for a while now. I want to say, like, I've always been fascinated by A6. But I feel like Mulberry agendas really started popping up on my feed last year and they finally came on my radar, and I don't know, it felt right to like end the year with a new planner. I also ordered another one which is a little impromptu, but we'll cover that in a different video. But when I saw that this one specifically was on sale, I knew it was perfect, and it's the only one on sale. So let's go ahead and also open her up. So I love the Mulberry green box. I'm a neutral person through and through, but green's like my favorite actual color, and this is like one of my favorite types of greens. I would love a kitchen like this color. But we're gonna open her up and take her out. So I ordered the Postman's Lock agenda in the eggshell shiny small croc. This is an A6 planner. I am new to A6. Again, I've been interested in it, I've been wanting to try it, but when I saw this go on sale, I was like, I feel like I have to get it. And so I had a little leftover Christmas money and decided to just do it. So I ordered a few things for this agenda. However, it does come with inserts that I also want to share. So let's go ahead and start with just looking at it. So I love the Croc. I think this is such a beautiful planner. You have gold hardware, and then you have the Mulberry logo down here. What's really, I also think is cool, is it turns, and then the strap is actually on the inside. I think that's a little different than most of the agendas I have that are on the outside. Here's it from the side. And again, just that Croc is so beautiful to me. And then when you open her up, you have this side pocket right here where you can tuck items away. Here's everything that it comes with. Again, we'll get into this. I kind of just unboxed it and then put a few things inside and then put it back in the box. Again, I just didn't have like time to actually like go through it. And I did order a few things which we'll go over. But you also get the card. So here's the style card, I would assume, if y'all are interested in that. And then back here we have this pocket so we can tuck in stickers. We have another side pocket here, and then what appears to be 4 credit card slots. This one can definitely hold one as well. And then you have your pen loop right here. So we have all of this. In general, for the dimensions, the website says that this planner is 6.5 inches in height, 5 3/4 inches in width, and 1 1/4 inches in depth. And the rings actually look like they can hold a lot. So I got this with 2025 inserts. I did see a few people say that they ordered the planner as well, and some came with 2024, some came with 2025 inserts. So someone did say that, actually a few people did say that if you like message them, you can get 2025 inserts sent to you if you want to use theirs. I might still try theirs out, but again, I did order some from some of my favorite shops. I really like the dashboards that it comes with to kind of just organize the planner. So we might actually keep a few of these in here. But you just have the logo on this, again, very pretty green, and it's like a nice cardstock. And then you get a week to view library, or I'm sorry, diary. And you have all the sections to fill out your information, birthdays, events. There's a lot of note spaces in here. Here's the holiday list. And then I thought it was really cool, you have a 2025 calendar, a 2025 year plan, and then you can also plan out 2026 as things come up. You have a few maps, additional notes. What I really liked was this 2025 year to view calendar. This is something that I'm probably going to keep in here. It's just this view, and so you can use it, and I don't know how I want to use it, but I know I want to use it. But you can use it as a tracker. You can use it to mark out birthdays, holidays, travel dates, PTO days. I think that's something that I just really like about it. I kind of want to use it as like a, I feel like it's gonna be icon only, year at a glance of what's going on. So we'll figure that out, but I just really like that it pops out, and I was really interested in that. And then again, more notes. And then the planner itself for the 2025 inserts started on the 23rd. And so again, I only wrote like a few things in here and tried out a few stickers and sticky notes for fun. But you have an hourly view, and it's a little bit of a unique design. So you have half hours, which I really like when it comes to hourly. So I'm still going to be using my ROSIE PAPETERIE insert, or an hourly agenda that's a single hour, and that'll be for time blocking. I ordered some hourly inserts to also try for this planner. So no matter what, I think I'm gonna try hourly in here and see how it works. I ordered a variety of different inserts just because I've never used A6 before. So again, I'll get into that in a moment. But what I really like is just, you do have a good enough amount of space. It's definitely more than a personal or like your pocket, of course. Definitely not as much as an A5, but I'm really interested to see how this will work out. But with these inserts, it goes from 8 to 6, and then you have some lines down here. So if you have something at night, or if you want to make this decorative, you can do whatever you need. I like the monthly view. I like how simple it is. And then on the weekends, you just have lines, which is pretty similar to a lot of hourly inserts. And so you just have all of this. There's the perforated edges, so that way you don't need a bookmark if you don't have one. You can just tear this off and find your week. Again, I'm not sure exactly if I'm using these, but I do really like these, and it's a pretty good quality. I feel like this is better than the Louis Vuitton paper, so it's definitely a little bit more durable. So that is the week to view diary, and then we got additional notes. I just wrote a few things down that I was ordering, and just to try writing to see what my handwriting looks like in this planner. So you just have notes, and then you get these tab dividers, which I used for contacts mostly. So it has the alphabet broken down, and then you have a good amount of, so here you have these, another dashboard, and then a good amount of contacts to organize through here like an address book. I don't know if I'll actually use that. I might still use the tabs though. I ordered some top tabs, I believe, from May Paper Co. I believe it was May Paper Co. Because A6 was very hard to find tab dividers for, which is why I want to go over what I've ordered for it. But I also might use these because, again, I just love the color, and then I think they're really cute, and I don't care like what they say on the side. But that is everything that the agenda comes with, and yeah, overall I am really excited. The size is so interesting to me. I like that this is more compact for some reason. I don't know, I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but I actually like the compact size. So for comparison, let me grab two different agendas if you're new to A6 like I am. So here's my A5 Louis Vuitton agenda and my personal. And let's also grab the pocket. So here's my pocket. It reminds me like shape-wise in a way, just larger. I don't know. This could also be me. So here's end to end where the pocket ends and where the A6 kind of lines up. And then if we're taking our personal and we try and do that, the A6 is definitely wider, only slightly for the agenda, but the inserts, I don't know if y'all can see that, they're definitely, I think it's like an inch or almost an inch, I think half an inch wider. And then of course the personal's taller, but I feel like the width is what gives you all the extra space that you potentially need, especially for a weekly view, right? And just if you need space in general. So that's, I don't know, it's a good in between, right? But I don't know, I'm really excited to try it out and just see what works in here. So we have that. And then comparing it to the A5, again, it's end to end. The A5 is a very big planner, but here's A5 versus A6. All right. And then as for what I've ordered, so I mentioned that I placed an order with Infinite Lotus. I think I actually placed 2 orders, and then May Paper Co. So as I mentioned, I haven't tried this size yet, and so I wanted to kind of experiment in a way with different style inserts. And so the first order that I did, as I mentioned, I ordered some hourly inserts, which are similar to the style, but I think it's just all hourly. And then I ordered an inbox, of course. I ordered a monthly planner view just to try out and see what monthly looks like. And then a weekly horizontal, as well as a few dashboards. So that makes daily, weekly, and monthly that I ordered from Infinite Lotus. And then from May Paper Co., like I said, I ordered some top tabs. And then they also had an inbox and a this week top tab that I ordered, as well as a daily insert that I want to try. And so I'm going to probably go back and forth. I won't say that this is officially in my lineup until I know for sure how it'll fit in my system. It will be in my next system video just because I'm like trying it out. But I really, until I get those inserts and try it, we'll see how this works. But for now, it's really just a fun planner. And I'm gonna use these inserts for until my orders come in, just to see how I like it, and again, try it out. But I think that's the best way if you wanna try a new planner size, trying different undated inserts. I recommend undated, to go back and forth. And yeah, I'm excited to try it out. Again, no real purpose just yet, but I've just wanted to get my hands on this agenda, and I'm really excited that I did. I really want to use it as daily. I don't know why, but the size of the inserts, the moment I saw it, I don't know, for me, it just screamed daily. So I'm leaning towards making this a daily planner, and I don't officially have one in my lineup yet, so it kind of works out perfectly. But again, we'll see what inserts work best for me and what I'll try. When all of the A6 stuff comes in, we'll do a video on that, update it, and then of course I'll do end month flips and everything and keep you updated on how I use this planner. But otherwise, that is my newest agenda and a little bit about it, what I've ordered, how I plan on using it. And other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If you all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.